We already talked about the amazing benefits of garlic on our channel, and today we will learn about one more amazing use of this plant that you may not know yet. Have you ever heard about this trick of putting garlic in the toilet? Today, with our fast-paced lives, it is hard to take time to clean and organize our home. Some chores are easy to do, but taking care of the bathroom isn't always so simple. Did you know that the bathroom is one of the places that accumulates the most fungus and bacteria? To clean the bathroom, people end up using strong chemicals that, even though they do clean the places, they can be harmful to the health. So in today's video, we will show you a trick that can help you keep your bathroom clean using garlic. Ever thought about it? See now how to disinfect your bathroom with garlic clove. Before going to sleep, peel a garlic clove and put it inside your toilet. Let it there throughout the night, and in the following morning, flush. Do this procedure at least twice a week, and always at night, since it is when the bathroom is less used. The garlic will help with this antimicrobial and antifungal powers. Another good option to disinfect the toilet, and one that brings quick results, is using garlic tea. Learn how to make it. Boil 1 cup of water in a pan. Once it starts boiling, cut the garlic cloves in small pieces and put it in the water. Turn off the heat. Close the pan and let it sit for 15 minutes. After that, pour the tea inside your toilet. Just like the first trip, it is better if you do it just before going to bed, when the bathroom will be used less. These two tricks are the fastest way of disinfecting your toilet and getting rid of bacteria in a natural way. And it also eliminates those yellow spots around the toilet. Amazing, isn't it? Do it and share your experience with us. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel. Stay healthy.